Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to arrange about this one. Next, I need to add about s. Later that we need to minus about s. We need to put negative number 1. Later that we need to add back positive number 1. So negative s, so we have negative 2s. Number 1 with number 1, we have number 2. So this one divide by this one, so we have number 1. Next, negative number 2, positive number 2, we can do about factorization. So we can do about factorization by s squared. This one by s minus number 1. Now s minus 1, we can do another factorization. So s minus 1 divided by s minus 1. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.